Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Azad.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sukanya.
Sir, this is my homework.
Okay, I'm seeing from Azad. Azad, good, you are managed to do. Very good. I shared you very late the pencil sketching. So you could do it very nice. It is looking very nice. The shadow also can be stronger. Okay, dark shadow you can give. Sun is good. Shadow can be stronger. That is all. Okay, good work. Okay, so I'm going to see from Sumant. Sumant, it is very good, very colorful. So did you see the full video and do it? It's very nice. So first I could not release the video. So
Yes,
this
sir. I saw the full video, sir.
full video. Okay, very nice. The shadow is good. The shadow also can be darker actually, but it is nice looking nice. Shadow is quite mild in your case, can be little more darker, so that we get good contrast. Okay, looks good and colorful and good. Okay. Okay, very good. I'm going to see from Madhuvanti. Okay, Madhuvanti, the mountain layer can be darker actually, right? That can be darker.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is nice. Okay, good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sukanya, as a
Sir?
Sukanya, you will see this in your watercolor class. Okay, this is not your regular class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sukanya.
Sir, should I join this class or no, sir?
I don't know why you have a confusion. I invited you, you can join the class, no problem. But this is not your watercolor class, okay? This is a Thursday class, and Thursday class you can join, no problem, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll see your homework on.
Sir, will you see my homework on Tuesday?
What?
I'm asking that. Will you see my homework on Tuesday?
Tuesday. Yeah, you have to show him Tuesday. That is your class, right? Regular class?
Yes, sir.
We'll see him Tuesday. Okay, Jivika, yeah, tell me, Jivika.
Sir, are we going to make 3D art today?
Jivika also having confusion. Jivika, it is not that class, okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is a Thursday class. So we do regular sketching, oil pastels, watercolor, and acrylics, all that we do on this Thursday class. This happens once you complete all the courses. And today we are going to do watercolor, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir?
Yes, Madhuvanti.
Sir, my mother said to ask that whether the drawing in iPad,
What? Drawing?
digital art, sir.
Yeah. That is a separate course. Digital
Can I
art.
join that, sir?
Repeat. Can you repeat? Oh, yeah. It is breaking. I could not hear properly. So digital class is separate course. Okay, so you can join that. So that's happening on Friday evenings. Okay. So I'll send you the details. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, Nitish.
So speaking of digital art, three-dimensional. I've actually started going into the art of painting miniatures and creating miniature sets, sir.
Okay.
So could I just show you one example that I made?
Yeah, yeah, show it quickly. So we'll start today's work.
So,
Okay.
so it's
Miniature.
really hard to show the details on this. So basically, I've remade the wood texture using
Okay, okay.
tissue paper, using paper mache technique,
Okay,
and
okay.
trunk over here as well.
Very good. On top of this acrylic painting you can do, probably.
I'm using a combination of both, sir.
Fine, okay, okay. Okay, very good. All the best. Okay, so let's do the watercolor today. I'll change the camera and show you what to do today. So anyone else trying to show the homework? No? Okay, so let's do today is going to do watercolor. Let's do the sketching, and it's going to be a green. Oh, it's a rough sketch I did. Okay. It's a rough sketch I did. This is the line, and here it's going to be a house, and there is going to be a tree here, and there is going to be a fence here actually. So it's a beautiful fence, and there is a two walking path, and the shadow will be falling over this. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. So let me do. See, in my paper, I'm just doing the boundary so that you can see the boundary of the paper. You don't have to do that. Okay, so you don't have to do this. I'm just making this boundary. Okay. So slightly above the middle. So mostly the green grassland we are going to see. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm going to make the, so this is right in the middle, little above the middle. I'm just making a line. So I'm deciding, this is a line of horizon line. I'm just deciding this here. Okay. So Nitila has sent it, right? I could not check. Okay. Okay, so here is the homework for Nitila. It is looking nice.
Thank you.
Quite colorful and beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. The shadow can be dark. Okay, so look at this. The shadow can be dark. Okay. The
Okay.
mountain is good. Okay. Super.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome, Nitila. Okay, so let's do this. So here I started with this. Then, so I'm going to make so it's mostly, this is going to be green actually, green based. Little bit of blue will be there. So remember, it is good to have, RGB. Okay, little bit of if this is more of green, okay, a little bit of blue and little bit of red should be good. Okay, so it's good to include all three. So, but this is mostly green, so I'm trying to make a little small house, and this house will be of red. Okay, some red house I'm making. Okay, so you know how to make the house. So I'll take the camera closer. So this is what I made for the house. Okay. Okay, so there is the house. So here a little bit of perspective also we will include. So the sky, some blue we will do. So we'll make some bushes also. I'm just making some bushes in the background. It's going to be some bushes in the background. Sky we will do. So other important thing we are going to do. So we did perspective quite some time back. So I'm going to make perspective lines. So here I'm marking a point, and we know it is going to be a vanishing point. So I'm going to make a path. So I'm going to make a path. So I'm just making a line, making double line. Making another line here. Making one more line here. So these, if bullock cart goes, right? If vehicle goes or car, jeep goes, and this path gets created. So in between is going to be a grass. All grass will be there in between. Okay, so I'm just making a line. There is going to be a fence here actually on the right side. I'm trying to make the fence here. There is a line, one line here, and maybe one more line like this. It is coming from here. One more line is coming from here. So two lines I made. 3 lines I can make. So the wooden fence. So these 3 lines I made, and this, since it's a wooden fence, so this vertical thing also will be there. I'm just drawing this vertical. It's very big. Make it a little smaller. So I need to make more of this. Another wooden pieces. So one more here, then After that, I have to make them closer, actually, closer and closer. Simply making a line. Probably I'll make it thicker. We can make it thicker when we do with the watercolor. But as of now, I'm just simply making these lines. So there's a countryside, and this is village side. There is a house, and these lines is the fence. So here is a road kind of thing. But it's all everywhere. It's going to be grasses. So these lines will be a little thicker. So maybe some height also we can make above these. So like this, this line also will be thicker actually. The three lines I drew, the top line, here it is thicker, but progressively it will be thinner actually when it goes. Next line also it is same. So I'm making double lines, but it is thinner when it goes to the end. So these are all based on the perspective concept. I marked a vanishing point, and all of these trying to go to that. So in the bottom also I have one line. I'm trying to make it as a double line, two lines. Then the important thing in this, the perspective is interesting. So other interesting things is the trees actually, trees and shadows. Okay, so we're going to make many trees. So I'll start with the tree in the left side. This tree is going to be here. It is going at an angle like this. So this tree is a little thicker since it is close to us and it is looking like a bigger tree. Just making a branch. So here I'm just making a shape here actually, that is for the leaves of this tree. Okay. So I just made a shape. Then okay, this line of the tree, it continues, it is going up. Maybe I am making a branch here, just splitting into branch. So remember, the branch line should be thinner always than the main trunk of the tree. So actually, the trees also follow the perspective. It will follow the perspective. What I mean is, from this bottom of the tree, if I draw a line, this line towards the vanishing point, Okay, so you don't have to do that. So next tree I'm going to draw. So I'm going to draw at this point. So in that line only, the next tree I'm going to draw. So next tree can be something like this. This also. So the angle of the tree, the branches all can be different. So making some branches like this. So I'll make one more tree. So this is a whole path. As I said, lots of trees. So that perspective of the trees is going to make it more interesting. So in the end, we'll be drawing the shade of this tree also. So that will be good. So most in the end, in the other side, so I'm going to draw a few trees. These trees are, yeah. So there is a one tree, it is at far, so it is there looking very thin. So another tree with a branch. Some third tree, so that also has a nice branch. So three trees I have drawn here, and so in the first tree I made a shape, so like the same shape over these trees. I'm going to make a shape. So the shape wherever I make it, I'm going to make some light colors. So in the top of this tree also I kind of made a shape. So dark colors for the tree trunks and the fence, all we are going to give dark colors, but we will.
Sir, is the fence okay? I don't think it is good.
Wait, Suganya, I'll see in the end. So it is okay, it is looking good. So the fence, the lines has to be vertical. The lines has to be vertical. Look at this, in my drawing, all the lines are vertical, right? So you also have to do vertical lines. Otherwise, fence on this Sanjamal,
Yes, sir.
all the lines in the fence has to be vertical. Okay, so one more tree I'm going to make. So here I'll make a tree. So in the middle of this fence, okay, this side of the fence, so I'm making a tree. And this tree will have nice branches to it, occupy the whole thing, whole area. So this tree, I'll make it like this. There's a branch, small branch can go like this. So here is the tree, so which is inclined at an angle, and further the tree goes like this. So once it branches, after that, it little bit it becomes thin actually. So that you have to note. Here is a branch. I can add many. We can add many branches. So I can add another branch here. Here, another branch. Here also I can just make another branch. Here, maybe a small branch. So see, I'm trying to make use of the remaining space to make these branches. So I'm done with this sketch. So once you do this, then we can start working on the colors. So looks like this is darker and there is a confusion where all the 3 lines of the fence go and meet, which I'll make it easy and simple, erasing that. So make it look simple. The fence, let the fence go till the tree. Make the trees again. Just made the trees. Maybe one more, the other side also. Couple of more trees, two more trees I've added. It looks like in the end there are more trees. So there is a little bit of sky is left out. So some loose light blue we can give. For the leaves, it is yellow plus green, then dark green. All we are going to give. For the path, maybe light brown we can give. Rest all the places we are going to give light green. So let's see.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, அந்த ட்ரீஸ்க்கு நடுவுல வந்து அந்த bushes இருக்கு, அது நம்ம அழிச்சிருவோமா சார்?
ட்ரீஸ்க்கு நடுவுல bushes இருக்கு. Bushes இருக்கு, ஆமா. So அதான் பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல இருக்கு. So பேக்ரவுண்ட்ல we will color it.
அதான் சார், அந்த ட்ரீஸோட பிரான்ச்க்குள்ளேயும் அந்த புஷஸோட லைன்ஸ் வருது, அத நம்ம கலர் அடிப்போமான்னு கேக்குறேன் சார்.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் கலர் அடிப்போம். வெயிட் அண்ட் வாட்ச். You were showing Sumant. Okay, perfect. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. Good, good.
Okay, sir.
So I hope all might have drawn properly. Okay, Swarnesh, looks good. See the road, okay? This can be a little thicker actually. These 2 lines, the path, it makes the path, they can be thicker. But it's fine actually, it's all fine. Looks good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, looks like Azad started drawing very light. Bring it close to camera, Azad. Okay, I see the vanishing point and the fence. Okay, looks good. Looks like you've drawn a little light this time, is it? But that's
Yes,
how,
sir.
yeah, it's fine actually. That's how we do for watercolor.
Yes, sir.
What is time now? Okay. We have close to 1 hour, so we should be able to do good today. Okay, so shall we start?
Sir, can you wait a bit?
Okay, Amsita. So I'll go clean my. So I have a dirty water, so I need to clean my water and come back quickly. So last Sunday, Sumant visited from my studio, but he's from Bangalore. He has visited, so that is cool. So those in Chennai, if you're interested, you can come over to my studio on Sundays. Okay, I'm seeing from Haya. Okay, nice, Haya. So the fence, it is getting darker, darker. Okay, it is getting darker, so probably you can rub it and make it a little light. It is a good sketch, good sketch. Really a good sketch. Okay, Aparna joining after a long time. So how are you? Okay.
Sir, Tanvi, sir, not Aparna.
Tanvi, there is one more Aparna is there, and so you need to name it correctly. There is another girl, Aparna. Okay. Okay, Tanvi.
Ma'am, sir, that Aparna is my friend.
Oh, is it? Okay. Very good.
She recommended me to join this drawing class.
Okay. Very good, very good. So there is a one correction you have to remember in this, the fence lines, okay, lines for the fence. I made it all vertical actually. If you do not make it vertical, it is little inclined. The whole fence will look like it is inclined. Okay, as if somebody pushed the fence. The fence goes. So that effect I'm seeing in your fence. So you have to be very careful to make these lines vertical. So otherwise, drawing is good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, good work. Hamshita, ready? Okay, good, good. Very good. Vertical fence. The lines are bigger. Tree is good. Okay, Hamshita, very good. Perfect. Hamshita, இது ஷீட் எல்லாமே மாஸ்கிங் டேப்லாம் போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? இல்லையா? நோ. சரி, ஓகே. மாஸ்கிங் டேப்லாம் ப்ராப்பரா போட்டு பண்ணணும். ஓகே.
ஓகே சார், எனக்கு வந்து மாஸ்கிங் டேப் காலி வச்சு நான் செலோ டேப் தான் சார் யூஸ் பண்ணேன்.
செலோ டேப் போட்டா வந்து பேப்பர் கிழிஞ்சிரும். செலோ டேப்ல
சார் நான் மெதுவா ரொம்பவே மெதுவா எடுப்பேன், அதனால கிழியாம தான் வருது.
Sir, okay. So let's start this. So I'm going to, so my camera is looking very bright. So I'm trying to reduce the, okay, my camera is looking bright. Okay, so we made these areas for the small areas for on the tree. Other than that, the whole sky, I'm going to fill it with light blue. Okay, light blue, only light blue. Dilute light blue.
Sir, we can apply cobalt blue.
Yes, yes, yeah. So any blue, if you make it dilute, and definitely it's going to be a dilute blue. You can try to use little bigger brush. So I'm going to use so number 8 or 10. So this background wash you can use number 8 or 10.
Sir, is my fence okay now?
What?
Sir, is my fence okay now?
Yeah, looks okay. Okay, now it is better actually. All straight. And see, how do you make sure it is straight? In the side, you should see that side. Is it parallel to that? Then it is vertical, right? Okay, it is better now. It is good. But still, in the middle, couple of lines are inclined actually. But it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's all right. It's all right. So what is happening to my camera? So bright. Come on, reduce the brightness. Okay, it has reduced now. So I'm use number brush 8 or 10, light blue, and so I'm just adding a lot of water and trying to make it more dilute. I'm just applying in the top of this house. So while applying itself, you can give, we can leave out some area and make it look like, but it is dilute actually. Once it dries, it's going to be, it is going to be very light. So I'm just leaving out an area. So it will look like, yeah, it will look like some cloud. So when you fill, be careful not to fill over the house, but you can fill over the trees, no problem, because trees are going to be darker. Do not fill over the bush. Do not fill over the area where we are planning for the green leaves of the tree. I'm just leaving out some area so that it can look like clouds. So it can be dilute actually, very dilute, because the leaves we are going to apply, and that will look good only if this is dilute. So it is looking a little colorful, but not really colorful because it is. I have added more water. Once it dries, it's going to look very light. Okay, the sky area filled. The bush I can fill it. The same this blue and green mix. Okay, blue and green mix. I can put it for the bush, and I will use a little smaller brush. Where is my brush? This brush is not good. So number 2, 3 kind of flat brush. Um, uh, so
Sir, I don't have 3. Can I use?
I'm mixing green and blue. Blue is dark blue. Okay, dark blue I'm mixing. So this dark blue I'm mixing with green. Okay, so the tree at far will look like mostly kind of green will look like blue. So I'm mixing dark blue.
Sir, for dark blue, we can use Persian blue.
Yeah, you can use. So that you can mix it with a green. Okay.
Sir, my dark blue color is over. Can I use some other color?
Yeah, you can use.
Which color, sir?
Use green directly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Dark
green sap green, sir.
நான் வந்து சாப் கிரீன் தான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். ஒரே ஒரு கிரீன் தான் I use it always. நீங்க டார்க், so if you have a sap green you can use it. If you want to use dark green, use it carefully. So now, so here I'm filling this the bush, but does not look like a green, right? So when I've added with the blue and the whole thing looks a little different. So the bush at the distance far away will look like this. Plus one section. Brown na பக்கத்துல இதெல்லாம் போகும். Both are only blue. 2 plus green na போகும். So these also not trying to use very thick. This also I'm trying to use little dilute only, but not too much dilute. So So now I filled the bush. And don't worry if the blue what you applied in the top is mixing with this. Let it mix, no problem. Then after that, the whole thing I'm going to fill rest of all the thing. House we will fill little later. Yeah. It's okay. After this path I'm going to fill with a light brown. It's straightforward, so no confusion. So we have a light brown, dark brown. So it's a burnt sienna, which is light brown. So that also you can use it in dilution. Okay, so in dilution I'm using, so this is the path, all right? So the car goes or bullock cart goes, and this area gets, so you can see the mud here. So this is a dilution only, light brown. It is a burnt sienna. So I'm not using this thick. I'm trying to use it in dilution only.
Sir, lemon yellow, sir.
Yellow இல்ல, இது வந்து light brown. It's burnt sienna. Or you can use the brown also, but use it in dilution. But burnt sienna if you can use, then it will be good. Okay, so it is already 5:57. So you have to pick up speed. That means in 30 minutes we have to finish. Okay, maybe next we will finish the house. For roof of the house, it is red. You can use. So for the wall of the house, we can leave it white or a little bit of very light blue also can be used. So you can leave it white, or if you can use little bit of. So I don't want pure white, so I'm just filling with. House can be with a white wall, right? Or so very light blue I'm trying to fill. Okay, but for the roof, I'll make it red. The best color will be red plus brown. If you use red plus brown, the red will look muted. Red will not be very prominent and roof of the house. So we know already for the roof of the house, it is red plus brown. Or you can use red also directly, no problem. But red plus brown will give you terracotta color. So this is only red coming in this whole painting. So
Sir, instead of dark brown, I mixed burnt sienna and red color, sir. I got a lighter color of the terracotta.
okay, fine, enjoy. Okay, some doors and windows you can make. So for doors and windows, I use kind of can use brown plus blue. That's a gray, right? Brown plus blue, gray. So that you can use it. So this is for the door, and some windows I can make. Okay, some doors and windows I made.
Sir, I don't have blue color. So how shall I make green?
What can I do? So you mix it. Right side of blue plus brown. Use brown only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So choose yourself. You can decide. Okay. So whatever the closest you can think, you can try to do it. Okay. So in this, there are two sides. One side, probably we can make it little darker. Okay, so there's a big door and there is a small windows. There are two sides, right? So one side. So in the right side, again, uh, very diluted, this gray color I'm trying to apply in the right side. So a little bit I'm making this one. So a little bit darker. Diluted gray. Okay. So now you can see this, the front side of the house is brighter and the other side is lighter. So like this, you can make it. Okay, so we are done with the house. It's complete. Then the rest all the things I'm going to fill whole area. I'm going to fill with sap green. Okay, so let's do it. It is very simple. Okay, so I'm going to start. So I'm trying to use the bigger brush, 8 or 10, like that. And so I'm going to take the sap green. So we can make it this sap green directly. We can use it. So rest all the area I said, right? So look at this. I'm just filling this sap green. Just all the area we can fill this sap green. Do it in dilution. You have to do. So I'm trying to fill between the paths. We have already given some brown. This is sap green. Okay, I just filled it all this area. Now the other side also I have to fill it. So you have to use bigger brush for this so that you can fill it quickly. Okay, I have filled this. I'm also going to fill the top. So there are some two areas, right? So here also I'm trying to fill it because it's nothing but it's the green leaves only. Filling this area also, except the clouds, right? So next, yeah, just fill it, go quickly, and then after this, dark green. Mostly we are going to use dark green. So far it is looking flat. Dark green we are going to give, and for the trees it is brownish gray. We are going to use brownish gray. For the fence we are going to use dark brown. So once you give all the dark elements, then the whole thing will look great. So looks like, so we need 10 more minutes as usual. So I'm trying best to finish it, but there is a 10 more minutes extension happening every time. Okay, so let's start. So these all kind of base, right? So now leaves, I'm going to draw a little bit of leaves here. We can draw, maybe later also we can draw. So I'm going to use till number 7 brush. So I'm going to fill little dark green. Just taking the green and so how do you make the dark green? So you have to mix with so a little bit of blue. I'm going to mix it. Bit of blue. I'm trying to mix it. So this green plus blue. Now I'm just making it darker. Darker. Those leaves we need to do it. Maybe we can do later. Fence also we have to work. So this is a little bit dark. So there is a tree nearby, and that tree shadow is going to fall here. So here, this dark green, so I can just fill it. Simply fill this dark green. Loosely, you can just fill this dark green. This can do it in the end, but somehow I'm doing it. Okay, so this dark green, the shadow is going to fall in the that blue you can use for the shadow. It's going to fall over this path also, but yeah, this dark blue plus dark green, I'm just filling it here. So I did not fill in the path, so I'm going to add blue to that. So this dark green, so there is a tree structure here. So here also I can, so like leaves, right? Like a leaves I'm trying to make these strokes. This is very simple, easy to make, like leaves, make these strokes. So in this bunch, right, the top area will be lighter, the bottom will be darker. So in the bottom, this it's a little bit dark green, so I'm trying to apply mostly in the bottom. It's all leaf-like strokes I'm trying to give. So after this, further, this green, I'll make it more darker, and I'm going to use it around this area. Um, so I can also use, yeah, maybe we can, with a darker color, we can draw the trees, then it will be more easy for you. So, okay, so I'm stopping right away. So I'm going to make the trees. Let's do the trees and um, on the fence, right? So I'm using small number 3 or 4 flat brush. If you have, that is good thing. Okay, so tree is dark brown plus dark blue, but let the brown be more. Okay, so more of brown. Being the tree, more of brown can be there for bigger trees. Okay, for the trees in the far can be more of blue. So that is the exact color. So now, yeah, this is darker color. Darker color, I'm trying to fill it for this trees. Now itself, I'm trying to make it. Once we make this, then making the branches and all the things will be easy. I'm not using
Black or sir?
black color. இவ்வளோ நேரம் சொல்றேன்ல, it is a dark brownish இருக்கணும், right? Dark blue plus dark brown. I don't. So have you ever used black? No, right? So it is a, we mix dark brown plus dark blue. So dark brown அதிகமா you can mix it. Okay. Yeah, so this is going to take time, and also fence making also will take time. So I'm trying to use the flat brush so that, yeah, so this is brown plus blue. Maybe the bigger tree takes time, other trees. So with the flat brush, I can fill it really fast. So I'm using this flat brush. It's looking brownish. Okay, so the other the branches and trees are very easy. You can add some more branches. So the tree closer to us, that looks very dark. The tree far from us, little bit. So I'm trying to use the branches in dilution. See all the trees in the far, the same color I'm trying to use, but it is little bit in dilution. So to fill this, you have to fill the fence also. You have to fill it. So now you can think of adding more tiny branches also. So that will look good. So I'm with a thin brush. I'm adding more tiny branches and covering this area, right? Shortly I'm going to add a lot of leaves. Uh, so I'm going to add a lot of leaves. Before that, okay, so I filled this tree. Now fence also I can fill it. I can use dark brown. I can use dark brown. So or dark blue plus dark brown, mostly dark brown. Okay, that color combination you can use it for the fence. Um, so making this line, these three lines, right? So when you're filling, so left to right. Okay, so you need to first fill the left side, then so the darker color is going to give nice look and feel and depth, all that. Okay, so these three lines I did. Now vertical lines I have to do. doing vertical lines, and this is mostly dark brown. So a little bit of dark blue also, so that dark brown gets more darker. Okay, so now we got the perspective is looking good. So these important things are done. Then further, we have to make leaves. Okay, again, leaf-like strokes we need to do with the flat brush. You can do it, and that is going to complete this drawing. And also some beautiful shadows we are going to work on. For the shadows, you can use even in dark blue, little bit of dark green, but dark blue maybe directly you can dilute dark blue. So dilute dark blue, you can below this tree, I'm going to dilute dark blue. So this is the shade of this tree. Look at this beautiful shadow of this tree is happening. And on this path also you can little bit down, then again it goes up. It is coming down and going up, so that will show as if it is in the path it is little down, then in the grass it is going up. But this is showing the surface, it is going up and down, right? So this is a dilute dark blue. So this is when you do this, and the whole thing will look more beautiful, wonderful. Okay, the same way from all the fences also there is a small shadow. So little bit you can dilute dark blue. Okay, so dilute dark blue. So little bit I can do from the fence also. Little bit these lines I can work out. So maybe I'll draw one line also. The shade of one line, shade of another line. This loose and dilute. But this is how slowly we have to do it. This is how we get more and more realistic. And so look at this, these lines with the dilute dark blue. I've done it, and that looks like nice shadow. So the shadow for the other trees also. These trees also we can work on. Here there is a shadow and here there is a shadow. The dilute dark blue, if you work directly on this, it will not look a dark blue. It will look like green only because already there is a green, right? So it will look like green only. So here also I'm just here leaf like this. These all shadows. Okay, so in these shadows, leaf like strokes I'm trying to give the bottom. So this is the dark blue I'm trying to do. Leaf like strokes and blue grass like strokes all together you can give. Thin grass like strokes I'm trying to give a little bit. So we are not trying to give a lot of there is a shadow for these trees also we can do few lines. Okay, just shadow lines you can draw. Okay, so 10 more minutes. All the leaves I'll draw and I'll complete. Shadow here also I'm working on the shadow. With the dark blue, dilute dark blue, the shadows will come on this also. So a little bit in this grassland also. So here also I'm touching some dilute dark blue. We should have done this earlier, but that's all right. A bit of dark blue and green. So I'm just trying to just apply in this area also. So maybe here also I'll can make a bush. Something like this. Mild colors. Okay. So now in the top I'm going to the dark green. Okay. So first I'll start with a little lighter green, then I'll make the green more darker. So okay, so there is another line also which I missed. This branch is going to look very beautiful. So making this branch can come over the tree, the house. Okay, so there are some cute and little branches I've done. So the rest all the things are really easy. So you all have, I'm sure you will all do well because not a complex drawing, you all already made very well. Now I'm going to, so this again, it's a big brush actually. It's a number 7 brush, the flat brush, and it is quite easy to make the leaves. So I'm using not very light green, normal green. So I'm just adding lots of leaves in the branches. So leaf-like strokes, you can make it easily. So just make these strokes. So these leaves can add these, keep adding lots of leaves. The leaf-like strokes, what you are adding need not be touching the tree. Okay, away from the tree also, away from the branch also, you can make like these, make these strokes. So here I'm making like this, but in the left side I'm going to make very dark. Okay, so I'm going to make very dark. Okay, so the very dark means the same mixing, brown plus blue, brown plus blue, the same mixing. So that I can use it using brown plus blue, and now this is darker mix. So look at this. I'm making lots of leaves, darker leaves in the left top. So brown plus blue. Can mix a little bit of green also if you want. Otherwise, even brown plus blue is good enough. So
Actually, in a class, I can.
okay, Manav. Yeah, send it to me later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So already we have this light green area, right? So I'm not going to disturb that. So other than that, in all the area, this darker with the darker mix, I'm making these leaves. So if you use a bigger brush, and really it's going to be easy. So these darker things I've applied around this, and that started looking good. Dark blue plus dark brown. So these darker things I'm going to apply here also, a little bit of darker leaves. So always there's a lighter leaves and darker leaves. Okay, these light leaves and darker leaves. So the strokes are very important. So make strokes like this, leaf-like strokes. Get a lot of darker leaves also now. Okay, so when I make this darker leaves, the whole thing started looking cool, looking very good. So this is what all about the depth. So making darker leaves everywhere. Adding a lot of this darker things. Okay, grass, like little bit of few strokes of grass also you can do it in the bottom. So almost we are done with this. I need to find a good place for the cucumber to sit. It's going to be some shadow. It is coming from the right side, so in the path also it will be there will be a shadow. That shadow on the right side of this path, I can just add a darker line because it will have a shadow. So the right side of the path. Just adding a darker line only in the right side of the path. Okay, so grass like things you can add. So I'm all done, and maybe we can add somebody. Somebody in the path will be very good, but near the house. Make somebody stand near the house. Just a minute, give me a minute. And also, I will add a bird. So Cuckoo bird can stand here. Oh, bird is standing here, and what other thing?
Just draw that bird. What can I do?
The second line in the fence. Okay, so you can give a lot of details, but so I'm not stopping here. Haya like to show, is it? Haya talking to herself. So Haya, you like to show? Okay, looks cool. So very good. Look at this. So this is the work completed from Haya. So darker tones is making it very, very good. Nice work, Haya. Very good. Looks very good. So who is standing there? It is a bush there or something you made? So in this place you made something.
My drawing.
So that's I just wrote my name.
Or you wrote your name, okay. Okay, so I'm seeing from Jivika now. So the Jivika, the fence, as you have to do the thin lines for the fence, a lot of leaves you need to do and leaf-like strokes you need to do. Okay, in all the area, then it will be good. Okay, nice work, Jivika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Swarnesh. Okay, looking good. Slowly, maybe you need time to add the leaves, but I like the fence. Fence is good. Shadow can be darker actually. Okay, so looks good. Swarnesh, very good. Okay, good work, Swarnesh. So I'm seeing from Madhvanti. Okay, Madhvanti, it is looking good. So in the background, this can be little. The sky also can be little lighter actually. So it's light blue, diluted light blue we wanted. Also the fence also here it is little diluted. So when things in the far can be little lighter actually. Okay, so this can be darker. Okay, so in your artwork, so everything is good. I wish the background, if it is light.
Sir, can we leave the class?
Yeah, you can leave. So when the background is very light, the foreground can be dark. So that gives a good contrast. Okay. To get the contrast, you have to make the background lighter actually. Okay. Okay, good work. Otherwise, drawing is good, everything is good.
Thank you, sir.
Good work. Yeah.
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay, I'm seeing from Hamshita now. Okay, looks very good, Hamshita. So in the top also, you need to add more leaves in the top, and then it will complete this drawing. Drawing will look very good. Okay, shadow is good. So look at this darker green we have added in the bottom. So that little bit in the right side also can add. Okay, so the darker thing it is coming can go beyond the fence also. In the right side also you can add some darker green. Okay. Okay, good work. The top also add more leaves.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm seeing from Sukanya. Okay, good contrast, Sukanya. It is looking good. I think the fence can be little thinner actually. Okay, thin. The lines can be little thin.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is very thick, but that's all right. Yeah, I wish it is little thinner actually. So leaf like strokes. So you need to have different colors actually, light color and dark color. Okay, then it will be good in the leaf like strokes. Okay, good work. Yeah.
Sir, I did it, sir. Is it not visible?
Yeah. So it should be visible actually. Okay, Azad, show it.
Sir, sorry, sir. I did that in my house. This is my classwork, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the brown fence is looking good. The tree,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a
tree can be darker actually. Okay, Azad. The trees can be
Okay, sir.
yeah, trees can be darker. So you can add more leaves in the top, then the whole thing will look better actually. Okay. Escape item.
Okay, sir. Can I show you my the artwork I did in my home?
Yeah, please. So somebody is standing there, right? Okay, looks good. Looks good. Here also some depth is missing. Otherwise, it is looking very good. Colors are good. Some darker. You look at your reference and some dark, whatever you have to do. The person head has to be darker, right? So that has to be darker. Okay, good work. Okay, good work. I'm seeing from Nitila now. Okay, fine. Work in progress. Okay, Nitila, add lots of leaves and it's going to look very good. Okay, good work. Yeah. Who else? Heshavarshini is showing. Heshavarshini, it is fully dark.
Bye, sir.
Fully dark. Could not see. Now it is cool. Just a minute. Okay, good work, Heshavarshini. Very good. House is good. Leaves are good. So what happened to this area? Okay. So there has to be a light green and then dark green. So looks like you have only using only one green, right? So this area has to be bright. So keep that in mind. So other things are fine. The shadow. Okay, the shadow here it is fine. So in the bottom also there is a shadow actually, right? There is a bottom of the shadow. So what happens? This bottom shadow and the darker tones in the top together it gives a frame to this artwork. Okay, so the bottom shadow if you can make it, then the whole thing will look far better. Okay, okay, good work. Okay, good work, Heshavarshini. Okay. Okay, who is this? Is it Nitila or so who is this? Is it Nitila? Nitila or Mithila? Okay, shadows are good. Frames can be a little darker. Okay, looks good. Looks good.
Sir, I have not finished, sir. Sumant here. I'll send it to you after I finish, sir.
Okay, sure, yeah. Yeah, you can take your time and no compromise. Try to do very good. Okay, no hurries. See, look at Sumant for the fine tuning. Look at this in the fence. Okay, so I'm going very close. So see, you can add a thin second line also. Then it will look very good. So I'm trying to
Okay,
add
sir.
a thin second line. This is one idea. There is other way is that you can use the white pen and give some highlight. So that also you can do to make the fence more realistic. So I can make my white pen and I can add some highlight here actually in the fence. A small highlight I'm trying to add. The right side. So this will make it more realistic. The fence will look more detailed. So there is a highlight in the top also I'm trying to do. The horizontal lines also I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm done with this. So Tanvi, will you send it or will you are planning to show now?
Sir, I'm showing it now.
Okay. Very good. I like the shadows. I like the shadows. The shadows are very, very good. Yeah, the leaves also good. Very good. Sky and everything is good. So Tanvi, do you feel that the fence is inclined to the right side a little bit? So if you keep it at far and see, then you can feel that actually.
Yes, sir, it's a bit slanting. I tried to do it vertically, but I don't know.
Yeah. So we get carried away actually. So you have to try your best. You have to think there is nothing in the paper and you have to try to make a vertical line. Okay. Then
Bye,
like
sir.
okay, bye Haya. Yeah.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah. Bye bye. So like that you have to try Tanvi. So you have to make it. So it sometimes deceives us actually, right? So the rightmost line, that is fine. Look at the second line, it is started inclining, right? So that is that. Otherwise, all the things are good. The small bunches are good. I like the shadows. Okay, very good work. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay. Take care. Bye bye.